Hello, adventurers. Today we're delving into the mysterious world of abandoned places with a chilling history. Join me as we explore these forgotten locations, uncovering tales of the past that still linger in the shadows. Abandoned places have a way of captivating our curiosity. They whisper stories of bygone eras, tragedies, and the passage of time. Let's step into these forgotten realms together. Our first stop, an abandoned asylum. Once a sanctuary for the mentally ill, now reclaimed by nature and shadows. Imagine wandering through echoing halls, peeling wallpaper, revealing echoes of past treatments and lives lived in confinement. These places evoke a sense of melancholy and intrigue, inviting us to reflect on the history of mental health care and the lives touched by these walls. Next, a derelict mansion shrouded in mystery. Once home to a wealthy family, now echoes of laughter and opulence, replaced by silence and decay. Explore grand ballrooms swallowed by darkness, remnants of forgotten parties frozen in time. Each room tells a story of prosperity and eventual decline, leaving behind whispers of secrets and untold tales waiting to be discovered. Now let's venture into a deserted amusement park. Once a place of joy and laughter, now rides stand still, covered in rust and graffiti. Explore empty Ferris wheels creaking in the wind, carousel horses frozen in mid-gallop, and eerie echoes of children's laughter. These places remind us of the fleeting nature of happiness and the haunting beauty of forgotten dreams. Lastly, an abandoned industrial factory. Once a bustling hub of productivity, now silent machines and empty workbenches. Explore towering chimneys against a backdrop of crumbling infrastructure, relics of a once thriving workforce now reclaimed by nature. These places speak of industrial revolutions, economic shifts, and the human stories intertwined with progress and decline. Exploring abandoned places with a creepy history isn't just about ghostly encounters or urban legends. It's about connecting with the past, honoring the lives that once filled these spaces, and reflecting on the passage of time. I hope this journey into abandoned places has sparked your curiosity and respect for these forgotten landscapes. Remember, beneath the decay lies a rich tapestry of history and stories waiting to be uncovered.